The richest man in history wasn't Elon Musk, he was African. Long before modern billionaires, stock markets, or Silicon Valley, there lived a man whose wealth was so massive that historians still struggle to calculate it. His name was Mansa Musa, the emperor of the Mali Empire in the 14th century, and he is widely considered the richest human being in history. Mansa Musa ruled an empire that stretched across much of West Africa, controlling the world's most valuable resources at the time, gold and salt. Mali sat at the center of major trans-Saharan trade routes, supplying wealth to North Africa, the Middle East, and Europe. But his wealth became legendary during his pilgrimage to Mecca in 1324. As he traveled with thousands of attendants, soldiers, and camels loaded with gold, Mansa Musa gave away so much gold in cities like Cairo that entire economies collapsed. Gold lost its value for years because there was simply too much of it. Yet Mansa Musa was more than just rich, he was a visionary leader. He invested heavily in education, architecture, and knowledge. Under his rule, Timbuktu became one of the greatest centers of learning in the world, home to libraries, scholars, and universities attracting students from across Africa, the Middle East, and Europe. While much of Europe was still emerging from the Dark Ages, Timbuktu was producing experts in mathematics, astronomy, law, and medicine. Mansa Musa's story challenges everything we're told about African history, and forces one powerful question: why isn't this taught in schools? To all my fans from Nigeria, Kenya, South Africa, Ghana, Mali, Botswana, Mauritius, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Algeria, and beyond. Backhand index pointing right. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We want to hear from you. Like and subscribe to the History Plug for untold history they never taught you.